This video is about how to create pins on Pinterest using a mobile phone. Now on Pinterest app, you can tap this plus button below here, then choose to create a normal pin or an idea pin, which is just like a short video like reels or shorts. There's also a rich pin which you can create if you have a website. And on your profile, you can also tap this plus button and also choose to create a pin. The next thing is to choose a photo from a device, then enter your pin title and a description. You can also add an alternative text and also a website which can be accessed by clicking the pin. And after that, you need to finally save your pin to one of your boards. And if you don't have any board, you can always create one. And you can also save other users' pins to your board and also remove them if you don't like them. In addition, you can pin images on other websites to your Pinterest board. And if you open your pin, you can edit it and then make some settings or even download it. You can also search for similar pins, add comments and share your pin. And down here, you can add notes to your pin and also add your pin to your favorites. And on your board, you can find more ideas to create pins, organize your pins, and also add your important pins to your to-do list. You can also set how you want your pins to appear on your board. And if you tap and order on your pin, you can easily edit it, reorder it, save it to another board, add comments, or even share it. And on your profile, you can find all your boards and the pins. You can also search for your pins if you have a lot of them and add more if you like. And to delete your Pinterest pin, you need to go to the pins editing screen, then go on to delete your pin down here. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.